Hi, I'm Star White of Star White Reviews. We're looking at a new app today that is presented by Glenn Kowski. He is a seven-figure affiliate. Limited time special, 10 brand new cloud-based apps for the price of one. So you're getting $300, $400 worth of product for only a one-time price, which is very small. Huge savings, 10 Warrior Plus deal of the day softwares for one price. Get unlimited free traffic and commissions with the same apps that generate us $1,000 daily. Fast track success to 2021 with 10 proven profit apps. Excuse me. Ma- this is not cooperating today. Massive 99% off product, 10 automated traffic apps, additional 20 training products, 100% done for you product suite, private community for all members, free traffic included with each app, world class support, no experience or technical skills required. And he knows what he's doing because he makes seven figures a year and has been doing for many, many years. So this is very easy to use. This is a snail shop of what he's made the last couple of days, and you can take advantage of these 10 profit proven apps to multiply income streams in any niche. This is how the program is going to look when you log in. Of course, I'm Star White, so I'm logged in my office right here, and you get watch before tutorials, 10x stack, which is really, really simple to do. All you have to do is press on the stack, open the program that you want, and you just pick one. Then after you pick one, you just have to load in what credentials, and then they upgrade you, and there you go. And then you can start running it and making whatever you upgraded to. The upgrades are here, so you can always upgrade if you want to. So the done for you, unlimited traffic, automation, ATM edition, ultimate edition, and so on, and license rights if you wish to sell the product, make 100%, and 30K in 30 days, which I really recommend, and super affiliate. So them are all, it's just super easy. He's made it really super easy to do. And then all you have to do is start promoting. They also give you ways to get traffic that are explained in the tutorials in this dashboard. And then you just come over here, and I'm also going to give you 17 more of his products. 300 CPA every day, 500 CPA every day, CPA coffee break method, 200 cash hack, 2K CPA traffic jacker, 250 cash magnet, the commission glitch, six-figure influx, $1 million toolbox, overnight commissions, commission toolbox, pure profit payday, 100 CPA day, commission profit jack, instant traffic jacker, commission magnet, commission blueprint. You also can make money with all those. Like I said, this is a really super easy program to watch. And the tutorials commissioned, and you can go through this page at your own pace. There is a lot of stuff on here and a lot of information. And like I said, this is the easiest way for anybody to start out making some money, especially if you're brand new. You don't need any skills or anything. It makes all your landing pages for you. They're also going to give you the multiplier stack. You get all these ultimate suite of traffic, lead, sales, and commission apps you need for 2021, and an incredibly, incredibly low price. And like I said, this is for under 20 bucks, so you can't go wrong with this. So just press on any of the links to purchase your product before the timer runs out. Otherwise, you're going to be paying full price, and you really don't want to do that. And like I said, it's really, really a great program. So all you have to do is click on any of these links, and there you go. And you can start making some money today, probably. So this is a good program. And I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to click the link below and subscribe if you haven't been here before. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.